Hello, it is Emily. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. What you hear in the background, part of it is traffic from the nearby highway, and a good bit of it is the water rushing down the mountain. See that mountain up there? We just had over 2 inches of rain. It's around 4 o'clock, so from about 8 o'clock in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we had over 2 inches of rain. And it is now rushing down the seasonal streams that are way up at the tippy top there and coming down on all sides. And then it's supposed to freeze tonight, and tomorrow will be April 7th, and we have a chance of wintry mix. That's very unusual for April where we are. Hello in Oklahoma, in southern Oklahoma. Anyway, I want to talk to you today about the 5 things I am excited about with the orchard and my garden. Thing number 1, sit right there. That's a leaf. There's another leaf down there. And there are teeny tiny little red things coming out that will be more leaves. This is the pomegranate that I wasn't sure if it had made it through our very cold winter. It's supposed to be zone 8 and only cold hardy down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. And we had a couple of nights where it was below 10 degrees, like one night it was 4. So I was afraid this had died, but it's leafing out. Thing number 2 I'm excited about. If you have mulberry trees, you know what these are. Ha ha ha! Mulberries! We're actually going to have fruit on our mulberry tree. Now the crazy thing is, this tree is a year older than the other one in the orchard, and this is the first year this is getting mulberries. And the other one, I'll show you in a second, is also getting mulberries. But I think the reason is that we let it grow way, way too high. It did a lot of upward growth, and so maybe it didn't have enough whatever it needed to produce berries last year. I don't know. But let's run to the orchard now and I'll show you what's going on there. Listen. Hear that rushing of the water? Alright, so the mulberries, this one is still leafing out. Hopefully it'll produce berries, we'll see. But this one here, look, I actually saw these little babies on this tree first, and then I went to the one at the edge of our property to see if it had little baby berries, and sure enough, it's all over. And the exciting thing is, this is the orchard, we have a roof. See the other mulberries? The mulberries from the other tree, those are probably going to end up being treats for birds. But no bird can get into our orchard. These mulberries are all ours. And here is thing number 3 that I'm excited about. Ta-da! And of course this is a garden thing. We're in the garden now. Look at all this asparagus. Ha ha! Why am I excited? Because this is year 3 for my asparagus patch. If you have asparagus, or if you've ever read up on growing asparagus, look, there's a spear I didn't see the other day. You will read that the first year you don't harvest any asparagus at all, because otherwise it won't develop the root underneath, and you won't have, if you get any crop the next year, it'll be lousy. The second year, you can take out a few stalks, but you should mostly leave it on. Starting year 3 though, you can harvest all the stalks that come up, and I am having them come up. This one I've already harvested. There's one, I think there's one left, that one that still doesn't have anything coming up yet, but hopefully it will soon. But yeah, I'm excited about the asparagus. Here's thing number 4 I'm excited about. Woohoo! It's a teeny tiny baby Asian pear. I am so excited we're actually going to get Asian pear. There's an even bigger one down there. Whoop, see that bump? That is going to turn into a pear. Isn't that exciting? Yes. We're going to be loaded with fruit, hopefully. I have to go into the bathroom to see thing number 5. Here it is. Oh my Lord, It's grown since this, of course, they all do that, but it didn't have leaves this morning. It was just a teeny tiny sprout still curved out of the ground. I'm excited because my melon, it's a variety of cantaloupe that has a kind of like a caramel taste. And the thing about these, so it's been it's been 13 days since I planted these, and they're supposed to germinate in 7 to 14 days. And I looked it up, and they weren't germinating, and there's 2 of them. They weren't germinating and weren't germinating. And I looked up online, and they say, guess what? You're supposed to put it on a heating mat to help it germinate. Oh, no, it wasn't on a heating mat. It's been on a heating mat for 2 days, and now it's germinated, so I don't know if it made a difference or not. I am really, really looking forward to having cantaloupe. I'm glad I don't have to reseed it and try to start all over. So there you have it. Those are 5 things that are going on our property, garden-wise, that I'm really excited about. Yay, I'm pumped. What are you looking forward to in your garden this year? Comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching. Thumbs up, share. I'll see you for the next gardening video. In the meantime, take care. Happy gardening. Be well.